right, boys and girls, cat ears this morning in honor of Amelia. This is for you, girl. All right, we're going to go over our S blends. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, swa. Good job. All right, here we go. My favorite. Nonsense word. So I want a word that rhymes with my nonsense word. And the category today is parts of your body. All right, these are not my scarms, but they certainly are my arms. This is not my sked, but it is my head. We do not walk on our spegs. We walk on our legs. Good. We don't have stinky sneet, but I think you might have stinky feet. This is not my spummick, it's my stomach. These are not my swellbows, these are my elbows. Okay, the joint in between our parts of our legs is not our spees, but our knees. And this is not my smack, but it is my neck. I am going to wave to you, not with my slinger, but how about with my finger? Good. All right, I'm going to say the word, you repeat it, and then you're going to tell me what S blend you hear at the beginning. Here we go. Spy. Good. Beginning blend, sp. Slate. Beginning blend, sl. Snow. Beginning blend, sn. Excellent. Steak. Beginning blend, st. Excellent, boys and girls. Swipe. Beginning blend, sw. Good. Spade. Beginning blend, sp. Good job. Story. Beginning blend, st. And last one, sneak. Beginning blend, sn. Yes, sn. All right. Now we're going to say it fast. S-n-e-z. Sneeze. S-m-I-o. Smile. S-o-I-d. Slide. Sp-eek. Speak. St-ache. Steak. St-e-m. Steam. S-n-a-o. Snail. S-w-e-p. Sweep. Great. All right, I'm going to leave these up here so you can peek at them if you'd like. I'm going to say a word. I want you to listen for that S blend and tell me if it's at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or if it's that final sound, that ending sound in the word. All right, thunderstorm, thunderstorm. I heard that st in the middle of the word. Good. Slice, slice. Okay, I heard that sl at the beginning. Gasp, gasp. I heard that ending blend, right? Sp, sp. Standing, standing. Do you hear that blend? Yeah, at the beginning. St. Yes. Basket, basket. Did you hear that sk in the middle of the word? Good job. All right, here we go. Now we're going to break it down. Word. All right, my first word has 4 sounds. I'm going to hold up 4 fingers. Beginning blend. The word is sneak. Sn-eek. Break apart that sn. S-n-eek. Sneak. Nicely done. Slime. Sl-I-m. Break apart that sl. S-o-I-m. Slime. Good. Stain. Stain. St-a-n. Break apart that st. St-a-n. Stain. Good. Story. Story. Let's see. St or e. Break apart that st. St or e. Story. Nice. Spade. Sp-a-d. Break apart that sp. Sp-a-d. Spade. Good. And the last one, snow. 3 sounds on that word. Sn, O. Break apart that sn, o, snow. Good job. All right, we're going to change out one of our beginning blends to a different S blend. My word is skate. Sk, 8. Change the sk to a st. State. My word is sleet. Sl, eat. Change the sl to a sw. Sweet. My word is scope. Sk, ope. Change the sk to a sl. Slope. My word is store. St, or. Change the st to a sn. Snore. That's what Mr. Chris does a lot. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the s sound to the beginning of a word to create one of our S blends. All right. My word is wipe. Add s to the beginning. Swipe. Good. My word is pie. Add s to the beginning. Spy. My word is tone. Add s to the beginning. Stone. My word is way. Add s to the beginning. Sway. My word is pine. Add s to the beginning. Spine. Good. Now we're going to take that s sound out of the beginning of the word, and we're going to take away that blend. Okay? So here we go. My word is scape. Take away that s. What's left? Cape. My word is slow. Take away that s. What's left? Low. My word is slice. Take away that s. What's left? Lice. My word is speak. Take away that s. What's left? Peak. My word is sweep. Take away that s. What's left? Weep. And weep is another way of saying that you're crying or sobbing. Okay? All right. You guys did fantastic. Fantastic. All right? So keep up the good work. And I'm going to skip some stretch and spell, and I'll add it to tomorrow. All right? So happy Thursday. Have a great day. Meow.